Hi, I'm Drew. Welcome to the Beggars Woodshop. A lot has happened here lately. My folks got a new bathroom vanity built by a friend of mine. Took up my shop. I actually had to add to that bathroom vanity because they got granite countertops. Good old plywood. Well, as things were being moved around, I decided to do a little rearranging here in the shop. And I like doing that little rearranging. I think I've opened it up to a much better space. At least we'll see. So, I noticed something. You're probably thinking, what, the dark area? What's up with that? Well, if you go to the other side of the garage, you'll see that against the wall, the same wall where this garage door is, there's drywall. Okay, there's drywall. So why is there no drywall in this corner? It just doesn't add up. So I'm going to fill the hole with plywood. Paint it, make it look nice. I could, yes, go out and buy a sheet of sheetrock and do all that, but let's not. Let's use some of this leftover plywood I've got, because I had to buy a full 4x8 sheet, and build something. I've already kind of planned it out, and on top of that, this wall, this is also going to get some plywood. Help hang some things up. We're really kind of fixing things up. You'll see some of that a little later on, I hope. But before I go chopping and hacking here, ladies and gentlemen, let's take a moment to talk about shop safety. Read the manuals that come with your power tools. The more you understand and follow those safety rules, the less likely you are to cause personal injury either to yourself or someone else. Hearing protection is a must. We don't want to go deaf while we're still young, but of course the rarest protection you could take, eye protection. You will be thankful the day this comes in handy. Let's just hope it never does. Alright, I've measured out for my first cut, and I should be making 2 of these. Cross your fingers, here we go. Let's get started. We'll test fit that, cut the other pieces, cut them to the proper length, and I'll get them sanded and sprayed. I'll see you after that's done. Okay. Alright, everything's a little confined and kind of tough to get some good angles and everything. I have to open up the garage to see better what I'm doing here. But let me kind of give you a rough of what's going on. Our boards, beautifully painted. I'm going to apply a little bead of caulking here at the bottom. Better protect this edge, and I'm gonna put that down below, make sure that's all clean too, hammer it into place. Now I've also got one piece of 2x4 that's actually going across here that was already put into the place, so that's why everything was cut to that size. I could screw all this in, but it doesn't have to be super fancy. We're just gonna hammer in some nails. Not my personal choice, but it's gonna do for this. So, hopefully I can get you some good angles and you can see what's going on. Here we go. Alright. Not the prettiest job in the world, but it's done. Hi! Little difficult in this area, and really I wish I had a few slightly better tools, but it's done. It is done. Do a little extra hammering here to solidify the nails, but otherwise it's done. Well, that's all I've got for now. Hopefully I will see you next time, right here on Beggars Woodshop.